this we can cover this part. It's very simple, very important, very boring. Okay. Distinguishing test মানে তোমার দুটা liquid দিয়া থাকিব. It may be aldehyde, maybe ketone, whatever. Okay. And you have to particularly, suppose there is propanol and propanol. You want to know more about the distinguishing test? I have given that also. Please check. I have given you this distinguishing test. I have written this personally, so please go through. I'll teach this only. I have written this in the side also, so please go through all these things. Okay, please go through. I'll teach this only once. Now the PDF is already there. Okay, so I'll teach you these questions only, so don't worry. Reasoning I'll tell now, so that it is easier for you to do any kind of questions based on distinguishing test. Already we have done all the things. Even we have done the practicals. Fine, let us start. So in this distinguishing test, suppose there is propanol and propanon. Okay, one is a aldehyde. You can see very clearly, one is a aldehyde. The other is a ketone. Okay, eta whole aldehyde or eta whole ketone. So propanol and propanon, the way this is aldehyde ketone. Aldehyde or ketone major jodi পার্থক্য কৰিব লাগে, distinguish কৰিব লাগে, that is to do the tolerance test. Tolerance test e ki koribo, propanol e ki dibo, silver mirror. It will give you silver mirror. Okay, silver mirror test. It is also known as silver mirror, which is formed. Fine. Silver mirror test. So propanol, this is giving you silver mirror. Okay, this is the tolerance test, which is giving you the silver mirror. Fine. Number 2, acetophenone. Okay, so this is not going to give you anything, but this is going to give you silver mirror. Okay, tolerance test, silver mirror test. Already, I mean, what is it? Acetophenone and benzophenone. And benzophenone. Okay, acetophenone মানে কি এই তোমার benzene থাকিব, C double bond O CH3. See, many of you, if you are unable to figure out which is the figure exactly, just in Google type the name, you will understand which kind of figure is it. Okay, for those who are unaware, for those who can, there is no point of this suggestion. But those who are unaware, kenike koribo lage, naam sam kenike likhe, figure kenike banaye, just type, it will come. Because now starting from naming is too dangerous, like it is too late to start with namings and everything. Okay, acetophenone, CH3CO benzene, and this is benzene, dui phale benzene thakibo, eto hol benzophenone. Acha, দুটা হল ketone, এটো হল এটা ketone, this is also a ketone, this is also a ketone. So ketone আৰু ketone মাজত কেনেকে distinguishing কৰে? দুটাই ketone হয়, কিন্তু কেনেকে distinguish কৰে? There is one certain type of ketone which is known as methyl ketones. Methyl ketone মানে কি? এটো তোমাৰ C double bond O group. C double bond O group or একফালে কি থাকিব? CH3 group থাকিব. Okay, C double bond O group or একফালে তোমাৰ কি থাকিব? CH3 group থাকিব. Fine. So since CH3 group is there in one side, these are known as methyl ketones. Are eto methyl ketone noy, eto hoy methyl ketone. So since methyl group is there in one side of this group, okay, so it is known as acetophenone. It is known as acetophenone. Okay, so acetophenone, methyl ketones gives a certain test known as iodoform test. Iodoform test দিয়ে যিকোনো মিথাইল কিটোন হোক, সাপোজ RCO CH3 plus sodium hydroxide plus I2 gives you RCO, O minus Na plus CHI3. So it is giving you iodoform. Okay, iodoform. Okay, it reaction to likhibo na lage. In distinguishing test, you need not write the reaction. Just this will give you positive iodoform test. This will give you negative iodoform test. Etu dibo, etu nidiye. Okay. So refer more to the. This will give you a yellow PPT. This is a yellow color PPT. Okay. So jar methyl ketones থাকে ইহতে yellow PPT দিয়ে আর যার methyl ketones না থাকে ইহতে একটু দিয়ে. So like that you can distinguish between them. Fine. Next is number 3. Phenol and benzoic acid. Phenol and benzoic acid. Phenol to कहने के बाद देखा. This is our phenol OH. Fine. This is our benzene. उसके ऊपर एक OH. This is our phenol. Benzoic acid कैसा होगा? C double bond O OH. This is our benzoic acid. ठीक है. एक है phenol, दूसरा है benzoic acid. How to distinguish phenol और कारण है? There we have done one test. Remember, blue color you have observed violet color. Okay, and that is the neutral FeCl3 test. Phenol thakile directly neutral FeCl3 test koriba ulai jabo answer. Okay, it will give you a violet color. It will give you a violet color, and this will not give you anything. Benzoic acid to test me diye, only phenol diye. Okay, fine. Next, আৰু এটা টেষ্ট কৰিব পাৰা, এইটো নিদিব এইটো দিব, that is the sodium bicarbonate test, baking soda test, sodium NaHCO3, because benzoic acid হয় ultimately কি দিব, it will give you some hydrogen gas. ঠিক আছে, whenever baking soda is added to acid, benzoic acid হয় ন, baking soda আৰু acid mix কৰিলে কি হ'ব, it will create carbon dioxide which will go out. Fine. Phenol may also give that test, but phenol is little bit like least acidic. Phenol is like weak acid compared to benzoic acid. Fine. Okay. Next, but you go for phenol. देखिले तुम्हारे लोग neutral FeCl3 test करिबा. Okay. Next. Benzoic acid, COOH, benzoic acid and ethyl benzoate. Okay, ethyl benzoate. So what is ethyl benzoate? This is our ester. Benzene OH, ATE, OATE, ethanoate. So this is ester. So benzoate. So this is our benzo group, correct? Benzene along C jodi thake double bond O, it has no hydrogen, then it is known as benzo. Then there is ethyl, C2H5. This is our ethyl benzoate. Fine. So this is our benzoate. This is the structure of benzoate. This is O minus. Jodi iman thake, this is benzoate. Okay. Benzoate ko ba phenoate to boli ko. Okay. So this is benzoic acid. This is benzoate. So because it is an acid, this is an ester. Acid gives the sodium bicarbonate test. It will give you effervescence. It does not give. Fine. Next, very important question. Very, very important. Pant2-one. Okay. Pant2-one and Pant3-one. Okay. এটা তুমি চোৱা Pant2-one to দেখাত কেনেকে হ'ব, one, two, three, four, five. This is Pant2-one and this is Pant3-one. CH3, CH2, C double bond O, CH2, CH3. This is Pant2-one and it is Pant3-one. So you can see this is the carbonyl group. And how can you distinguish? In one side of the carbonyl group there is methyl. So this is also a ketone, this is also a ketone, but this is our methyl ketone. Methyl ketone ki test diye?
Iodoform.
Iodoform test. Fine. So it is giving you iodoform test. It will give you yellow PPT. And this will not give you anything. Fine. Okay. So this is giving you yellow PPT. It won't give you anything. Fine. Okay. Next. Benzaldehyde and acetophenone. Acetophenone. Okay. Benzaldehyde is an aldehyde, C double bond OH. It is an aromatic aldehyde. Okay. And this is acetophenone. Okay. Benzaldehyde is an aromatic aldehyde. Acetophenone is a ketone. COCH3, this is a ketone. Fine. So দুটার মাজত difference কি? So you can do any test. You can do, ইয়াতে চোৱা এইটো এটা মিথাইল ketone হয়. This is a normal benzaldehyde. So you can do the iodoform test also. Iodoform test. এইটো right হ'ব, এইটো নাহে. Iodoform test, এইটো yellow PPT নিদিয়ে, এইটো yellow PPT দিব. আৰু এটা test হ'ব পাৰে. এটা aldehyde হয় ন? Aldehyde হ'লে এইটো কি দিব? Tollens silver mirror test. Tolerance test. So it will give you tolerance test. It won't give you tolerance test. It tolerance test नहीं दिया, ये तो iodoform test नहीं दिए, ठीक है? Tolerance test aldehyde दिपो, ketone नहीं दिए. Iodoform test ketone दिपो, aldehyde नहीं दिए. Okay. Next. I'll suggest you study the iodoform reaction from NCERT. Iodoform reaction NCERT পৰা পঢ়ি ল'বা. তাতে আৰু কোনে কোনে iodoform test দিয়ে সেইটো তুমি পঢ়িব লাগিব. Like methyl alcohol, it also gives iodoform test. So go ahead and study this one. Next. Benzaldehyde and acetophenone done. এতিয়া benzaldehyde and propanol both are aldehyde. A2 is aldehyde. This is our aromatic aldehyde. Benzaldehyde is an aromatic aldehyde and propanol is aliphatic aldehyde. Okay. Benzaldehyde is benzaldehyde is aromatic aldehyde and this is our aliphatic aldehyde. CH3 C double bond OH. This is our aliphatic aldehyde. Fine. So aldehyde or major difference to keneke hai. Okay. If there is aliphatic aldehyde and aromatic aldehyde, the only way you are going to differentiate them is by doing Palling's test. Palling's test. FEHLING''S Palling's test. Palling's test, it gives you red PPT. It will red PPT দিব. ঠিক আছে আৰু এইটো নিদিয়ে. Okay. Aromatic aldehyde do not give Palling's test. Don't give Palling's test. But aliphatic aldehyde, they give Palling's test. Fine. Whereas tolerance test, etuo dibo. Propanol also will give tolerance test, silver mirror form koribo, and this also will give tolerance test, silver mirror form koribo. Otherwise, Palling's test they do not give. Okay, this is the very important difference between aromatic aldehyde and aliphatic aldehyde. Fine. Next. Okay, so the next is distinguishing between 1 degree alcohol, 2 degree alcohol, 3 degree alcohol. ठीक है 1 डिग्री अल्कोहल 2 डिग्री अल्कोहल 3 डिग्री अल्कोहल सो যদি distinguish করে বলা যায় it may be anything it may be like ethyl it may be propyl alcohol n propyl alcohol it may be isopropyl alcohol and 3 degree alcohol I can call it neopentyl alcohol fine neopentyl alcohol so n propyl alcohol কেনেকে থাকে CH3 CH2 CH2 OH isopropyl alcohol কেনেকে থাকে CH3 CH CH3 OH আৰু neopentyl কেনেকে থাকে CH3 C CH3 CH3 OH this is our neopentyl alcohol ठीक है so these are OH these are OH this is our OH ठीक है so this is our alcohol which is there 1 degree 2 degree 3 degree alcohol ठीक है so how do I understand how to do the test is it actually agot chapter rahi jay alcohol test still I'm doing this alcohol chapter of it Lucas test is a reagent of zinc chloride and HCl together this is also known as the turbidity test এটা turbidity test বুলিও কয় cloudiness appears in 1 degree alcohol in 3 degree alcohol immediately cloudiness appears in 3 degree alcohol immediately ठीक है in 2 degree alcohol cloudiness appears in 2 degree alcohol in 5 to 10 minutes and 1 degree alcohol okay do not give this test do not give this test cloudiness never appears it test media so ultimately you can understand that 3 degree alcohol 2 degree alcohol are giving this test you can identify 1 degree alcohol is not giving this test fine this has less chance of coming because it is the alcohol based distinguishing test but since it was all together I have given it. Next is last methylamine and dimethylamine okay methylamine and dimethylamine see one is CH3NH2 methylamine or এটা হল dimethylamine CH3NH3 fine so methylamine normally gives this carbylamine test এটো পঢ়িবা এটো name reaction carbylamine test so how do you identify it creates foul smell and dimethylamine it's a 2 degree amine right so it gives you it also gives you carbyl it does not give carbylamine test do not give carbylamine test এটোৰ পৰা আমি distinguish কৰিব পাৰিম that it is 1 degree it is 2 degree it is 1 degree amine ठीक है next last number 11 Hinsberg reaction test okay suppose 1 degree 2 degree 3 degree amine থাকিলে 3 degree amine কেনেকে হয় suppose n all are r this is our 3 degree 2 degree means this is 1 degree 1 degree 2 degree 3 degree so যদি তিনটাৰ মাজত যদি তোমাৰ distinguish কৰিব লাগে 1 degree and 2 degree amine gives Hinsberg reagent test What is Hinsberg reagent test? It is benzene sulfuryl chloride. This is benzene sulfuryl chloride. This is Hinsberg reagent. এটু যেতিয়া অ্যামাইনৰ লগত ৰিয়েক্ট কৰে H2 উল্টাকে লিখিলো suppose this is primary amine, then what happens, it gives you this H goes away with the Cl, it creates NRH. ठीक है, so this is the product plus HCl. So 1 degree amine A to DHS, 1 degree A to test here because talo that the hydrogen take which reacts with the Cl. In fact, 2 degree also gives this test because 2 degree amine also has a hydrogen which reacts with the Cl and they are joined together. But 3 degree amine, this nitrogen do not have any hydrogen. So that's why this reaction does